In the bustling world of WordPress websites, finding the right tools to enhance user experience is essential. Today, we're diving into Ajax Search Pro for WordPress, a dynamic live search and filter plugin designed to revolutionize the way users navigate content. Ajax Search Pro isn't just another search plugin, it's a powerhouse of functionality packed into one seamless package. Let's take a closer look at what sets it apart. First up, customization. With Ajax Search Pro, you're in control. From checkbox, dropdown, and radio button category filters to custom field post meta filters, the options are endless. Plus, it's compatible with popular page builders like Elementor, Visual Composer, and Gutenberg, ensuring seamless integration into your website's design. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. With over 60 colorful, fully customizable themes, you can say goodbye to the CSS hassle and focus more on presenting your content in the best light possible. Ajax Search Pro goes beyond the basic search experience by presenting results with images, making them more attractive and engaging for users. And with mobile device compatibility, whether you're on Android or iOS, the search experience remains top-notch. But here's where it gets really interesting: the search isn't limited to just posts and pages. Ajax Search Pro can fetch results from any custom post type, including WooCommerce products, BBPress forums, and BuddyPress activities. It can even search media attachments, including PDFs, Excel files, and more. And let's not forget about the powerful taxonomy and custom field filters. With an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, you can create sophisticated search forms tailored to your specific needs. Ajax Search Pro doesn't just deliver on features, it's also optimized for performance. With options like caching and index table engine, you can ensure lightning-fast search results even on high-traffic websites. And of course, regular updates and dedicated customer support mean you're always up to date and never left hanging when you need assistance. So whether you're a blogger, an online store owner, or a content creator, Ajax Search Pro for WordPress is the ultimate solution to enhance your website's search experience. Try it out today and see the difference it can make. Narrator, visit our website to learn more and get started.